Google Forms, how to make multiple choice. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will be showing you how you will be able to create a multiple choice question on your Google Forms. As you can see right now on our screen, I already have an example of a multiple choice question. To be able to do just this, simply click on the plus icon over here to add question. Over here, it will actually automatically choose the multiple choice option over here. Simply enter the question that you want. So let's say, what planet are we on? To be able to add an answer, simply select option 1 over here and enter an answer. Of course, the answer is Earth. You can add an image to it as well if you want. But anyway, after typing your answer, you can easily click enter to move on to option 3 or option 2 or more to add other options. So let's say Saturn, Jupiter, and Neptune. And this is basically it. To be able to set up the correct answer or to choose the correct answer that you want, you can simply click answer key and select the correct answer of your questionnaire. Of course, it is Earth. Select how many points this questionnaire is, for example, 3 points, and click on done. You will know that the correct answer has been specified through the check mark over here. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.